Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the NERF Alpha Strike Hammerstorm. Okay, so this is our NERF gun for today. This is the NERF Alpha Strike Hammerstorm. So, as always, there's the NERF branding right here. And this is for kids ages 8 and up. Of course, a warning to use official NERF darts right here. And of course, a general warning not to point at anyone's face. This comes with 8X Elite darts right there. And there you go with the Hasbro branding right there. So on the back, you can clearly see the picture of our NERF gun for today. Wow, that's a really good looking futuristic NERF gun right there. And there are labels on the parts right here. So this is the rotating 8 dart drum right there. The trigger right there. And then hammer priming action right there. This is not a battery powered NERF gun, so you have to prime it using this notch right here. So this is how you load the gun, up top on top of the grip right here. You also have extra slots right here. You put 8 extra NERF darts right there. So let's continue with our unboxing. So this is our NERF gun right here. Wow, that's really good looking, huh?
Wow!
Yeah, and this are the included 8 Elite NERF darts right here. Right there, guys. So this is really somewhat a gun you would use on online games. Really like a futuristic design that NERF has done on this one. This is our grip right here. Really good grip. It's still plastic though. And with gray accents right here. Leading to our trigger right here. And of course, NERF branding right here. And this is where we prime the gun right here. This is our loader right here. So Alpha Strike branding on the handle right here. You can load 8 darts here as reserve. So later we will put 8 darts in here so you can see how it looks. This is our rotating 8 dart drum right here and the Hammerstorm logo right there. So in terms of the barrel, this is what it looks like. We have unboxed a NERF gun similar to this one in terms of the rotating drum right here, the NERF Disruptor. So I will link that here if you want to check it out and on our video description. So this drum will be filled with NERF darts, and every time you prime the gun or you load the gun, this drum will rotate, and the next inline Elite NERF dart will be lined right there. Every time you prime the gun, of course, after pulling the trigger. So pretty hefty in terms of the handle right there. So I assume this would be how you would be handling it. So this is how it looks like on the other side. So there's a makeshift sight in here, right there. That's our NERF gun right here. Wow. So let's get this thing loaded, shall we? So that's a loaded gun right there, guys. As you can see, I've loaded the rotating 8 dart drum right here. I've used 8 more darts to use the reserve slots on the bottom of the gun right here, how it looks like from underneath, and on this side, and on this side. Those are the reserve elite darts, and our 8 dart rotating drum is also loaded right there. Now all we have to do is prime the gun right here. So it's just like a normal gun. You can cock it all the way down right here to arm or load our Alpha Strike Hammerstorm. So to arm it, right here, so just pull down from this lever right here, and you will hear it arm right here. That one is armed. All we have to do is pull the trigger. So I'll show you the action when we pull the trigger right here. Ready? Load it one more time. See the drum rotate right there, right? Ready? Wow, that's a soft trigger right there, man. And one more, if we load the gun, you see the drum rotate here. It lines up the next dart right there, and you squeeze the trigger. So I stand corrected. The drum rotates every time you load the gun, not every time you fire. So if I load the gun right now, so it rotates, right? Finding the next dart to be fired right there. So now we are doing our power test. So this is our power test right here. So we are using our NERF Alpha Strike Hammerstorm right here. I have loaded 6 darts on our rotating drum right there. So we can fire 6 feet away and try to make our target go away with the Alpha Strike Hammerstorm. Ready? Unfortunately, our target is still intact and we didn't make a hole on our paper right here. But still, the Alpha Strike Hammerstorm is a lot of fun and it really packs a punch. I like it. And it's really futuristic right here, and it's really fast to load right here. Of course, with the help of the rotating drum right here. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the NERF Alpha Strike Hammerstorm. So this gun is really, it really has a futuristic design to it, and I like the design right here. It also helps that you can put in 8 reserve NERF darts right here. Soft trigger, softest of all that we have tested so far. And this loading mechanism right here, when you cock the gun, this one is really fast. From using this one, I was able to fire our darts faster, of course with the help of the 8 dart rotating drum right there. And this guy really does hit with a punch. I really like this gun. Oh well, I think I say that with every NERF gun that we review on the channel, but then I'm not lying. It's all true. So this one is really a feather trigger to it, and you load it and gently squeeze the trigger, it goes off like a rocket. So it really does look good, and it fires good as well, and fast. So which NERF guns do you own right now, and which one have you added to your collection so far? Please comment it down below, okay? That will know what you guys are adding to your NERF collection, and we also want to hear from you. Do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, visit this link right here. I will also put it on the video description. So again guys, please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our NERF videos and other videos which we normally upload. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.